So to end the week properly, I made some funfetti cupcakes. And I used my handy mixer and I mixed them for 2 minutes, which made them really airy and fluffy and light. And then I put them in a muffin tin. I have a very large one that makes like 24, and I think I ended up making 22. And I used an ice cream scoop to scoop them into the paper linings, and they baked for about 18 minutes. And they made the house smell so vanilla-y. And they came out perfect. They rose perfect. And I used a little frosting bag. I stuffed the bag with the frosting, and I just kind of twirled the frosting all around each one. And then I used sprinkles to top off the cupcakes. And they came out really, really cute and happy. And they're very festive for spring, and that's what I wanted. I wanted something for spring, and I think I did it. And they're really tasty too. So you should try making some funfetti cupcakes. There's recipes galore all over Google. I can share the one I have, but these were my funfetti cupcakes. Beautiful. Here's a clip of my tomato and cucumber salad that I made. And then we're on to some chicken and burnt Brussels sprouts and loaded baked potato. I used chicken tenders for this dish, and I used my Ninja air fryer to burn my Brussels sprouts. They are crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, and they're oh so yummy. And I used some teriyaki sauce on the chicken this time. Cheddar cheese on the potatoes with sour cream, a little pepper, some butter. When I cook the Brussels sprouts in the air fryer, I cut off the little hard part on the end, and I kind of put a little bit of olive oil and garlic on them, and then they go in the air fryer at 375 for about 7 to 8 minutes. And halfway through, I kind of jumble them around and toss them around and make sure they're cooking evenly, and they come out beautiful every single time. They really are good, and you can cut them too in half. So this recipe was called a burrito bake casserole, and it's really quite simple. You use about a cup of Biscuit, a quarter cup of water, a can of refried beans, and then you mix that all together, and you put a pound of cooked ground beef mixed with taco sauce over the Bisquick mix, and then you top it with cheddar cheese. You put it in the oven at 375 for 25 minutes, and it comes out fantastic. Let it sit for about 5 minutes so it kind of takes its shape and it doesn't fall apart when you scoop it out of the dish. But it was such a great casserole, and I served it with cheese quesadillas and a salad. The possibilities are endless with this dish. They really are. Look at the trees now. It's a bit drizzly right now, but it's been a beautiful week. They're getting so green. I still need to drill holes in that right there, so it doesn't buckle when it gets full of water. But look at this. This is my strawberry patch. It started out with 2 tiny little plants about right there, and it's spread out all over. It's huge. The squirrels will be very well fed this summer. And I am still enjoying my IHOP coffee. It is so yummy. Okay, so first cup of coffee of the day. I should say first cup of coffee of the morning. I haven't had my coffee yet. The smell of the first cup of coffee, there's nothing like it. I love the smell of coffee. I used to burn candles that smelled like coffee, but now that I do my diffuser I don't burn candles anymore. But if they came out with like a diffuser blend with coffee, hey, that would be awesome. So I want to show you this. I know I've showed it to you last year, but I got this little tea towel at World Market and has a bee on it to remind us we must save the bees. It's on my dishwasher. So I'm going to wash my produce bags. These are them. And I'm going to use the Thieves laundry detergent to make them really clean, because you have to wash these once in a while. You know, you put fruit and veggies in these.